What up, people? It's your neighborhood good-looking man, iikonik, coming back at you with another video. You know, gotta look good for the wife. You know, gotta clean her seat off, make it look good. We are about to go to the car wash, get the car all nice and spiffy on the inside and the outside. Because if you got a clean car, it will treat you right. I believe that. Just like if you would take care of your kids, they would take care of you. Maybe, maybe not, you know, depending on who you are. But cleanliness is next to godliness. And we're getting it ready, we're getting the car ready to go to car meet, car show, cars and coffee, whatever we're about to go to. We're gonna get the car wash first. And then we're gonna vacuum and make the inside of the car look all purty like I ain't looking in there. But yeah, oh, and that's a 300C up there.
Thank you for your video. Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. That 300 is nice. Show the 300. I like the rims. They kind of 5-star, but they what they call it? Spinning? No. You see how that car is waiting for that car to go in quite a ways? It's like you space yourself out because the last thing you want to do is be all up on somebody's bumper like this doggone Ford. At this point, he proceeded to tell me how his brother had shot himself the night before, and he didn't have the will to go on. And I gave him these words: the only way we can do right by the people that pass is that we live our life to the best that we know how, so that when we see them again, they can be proud of us just like we was proud of them when they was on this earth.